standing outside Chicago's Union Station, where 583 passenger trains come through each day, some owned by Amtrak, the United States National Rail Service, the rest owned by Metra, Chicago's commuter line. However, severe delays can plague these trains because of the sheer amount of traffic on the rail lines, most of which are owned by the big freight companies like CN and CP, for example. Amtrak says its trains from the East Coast often come in as much as 8 hours late, forcing them to put passengers up overnight at an expense of as much as $20,000 per day. From the Financial Post, I'm Christine Oram.